This is how to remove or replace a touchscreen on a GMC Chevy Sierra Silverado for the 8-inch screen. As long as you're 8, it looks like this. Flip her over. You want to remove all of the gold screws. After you remove all the gold screws, this back cover just comes right off. So you want to go ahead and move this so you can see it better. You want to remove this ribbon cable. It flips up. Up. Down. Just pop her out. Same thing with this ribbon cable. Just pop it off. This is the whole LCD touchscreen assembly. You can put your plastic apart. Then, now what you want to do is just push these tabs back. There's 5 of them. To get the touchscreen out, and it comes out on a whole like metal frame, just like that. What I like to do is I like to just take a piece of wood, put it on top, because these are really bendable. They bend really easy. Take a hot glue gun. My bad, hot glue gun. Take a heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, a blow dryer, and heat up the screen until it comes off really easy. Make sure you clean the screen if there's any dust in there or anything. Once you're done, you just take the shell and put it back on this part, just like that. And then just put it back into the plastic shell. It's that easy. Any questions, feel free send me a message. This is Adam with C&H Car Stereo. Thanks a lot.